Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. Look at the LED when I close the hand or any other electric field or magnetic field to the project, the LED gonna be on. The project running with 1.5 volt battery and the IC is MCP 6041. This one. The recommended schematic to test this project working from 1.4 volt to 6 volt is high side battery current sensor, but I made the threshold peak detection with this super sensitive IC, and as soon as the hand gonna be closed or any other electric field, the LED gonna be on. And this is the 1.5 volt project that I made. I will try to adjust the project with the lower sensitivity again. Look at the project. As soon as the wire connecting to the small copper antenna, it is going to light. The project need LED, and I'm 100% sure the LED cannot work with 1.5 volt. I tried to use transformer to turning on the LED. If you have the joule thief to turn on the LED with 1.5 volt battery is much better. I have two separate videos, how to use joule thief and how to turn on LED with transformer. So the project is only part 15 mega ohm resistor, 100 nano resistor between inverting and non-inverting, and one part to adjust the sensitivity. That's it. One more time, I will say on the 6 nanoamps rail-to-rail input-output operational amplifier, the working voltage is amazing, 1.4 volt to 6 volt. Thank you very much. I have 3-4 projects for the MCP 6041, how to measure the milliohms with this IC, how to detect the ohms and resistors with this IC. Thanks for watching and goodbye.